Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can archive your Instagram Reels, so let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do is locate the reel that you want to archive, so just go over into your account, and then go into your Reels and select whichever reel you would like to archive. So once you open up the full reel view, what you're going to need to do is click on the three buttons in the bottom right, or the three dots. This will open up this menu where you're going to need to click on manage. From here, as you can see, you have a ton of options. However, you have the archive option at the very bottom, which you can just tap, and as you can see, it'll give you a confirmation sort of prompt where it says that you can remove this reel from the archive at any time. All remixes of the reel will also be deleted, and any content using the original audio will be muted, and if you restore the reel, these will all be restored. So let's just say archive, and as you can see, now the reel is over in my archive. So as you can see, the audio track in your reel is no longer available, so you can replace the audio if you wish, and you can just click that and click here to replace the audio, and you can select whichever audio you would like. But as you can see now, if I go back into my reels, this reel is still available because it is on my account, but it's currently in the archive. But if I go into my posts, as you can see, it's not there anymore. So let me just go to the main page, try and reload everything, and now if I go into my reels, it's still there, but it is still archived. So you can just go into the three dots, go into manage again, and you can just click show on profile and confirm showing on profile, and as you can see, it's been restored. And if we go back to our posts and try to reload the app again, then it should go ahead and appear in my posts. So let me just try and reload this page, and for some reason it's still not working, but you should trust me that it is back on the posts page. Just try reloading it here, go back, and yeah, once you restart your app, it will be there. So you're just going to need to trust me on that one. However, yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.